The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
No sentence!
No sentence!
No sentence!
Test yourself, no one. Test yourself, no one.
No sentence! Just prevent temperature to go with blood clot.
I'm not going to sell out. People in England are applying exactly. I was at work in a land there, quite full of shit. When the news are midnight.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Seriousskilla. I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I just presented to you a video that shows persons on an airplane yelling and shouting out of anger. Now, according to what had been said in some reports out there about this video that I just presented to you, it is said that this video shows persons who were on a flight that arrived within the country of Jamaica from the UK, right? It is said that these persons got angry after they had been told that they were going to be taken to a place that is within the parish of St. Anne, that is within the country of Jamaica, and that they would be staying at that place under state quarantine. According to reports, it is said that they would be placed under state quarantine for 48 hours, and it is said that the incident happened on the 21st of December, the year 2020. It is said that this had happened because of a new strain of virus that had hit the UK, and according to reports, it is said that the country of Jamaica had joined a list of countries worldwide that had banned flights from the UK. You see? According to the news reports that I saw, it is said that those persons who were on that flight had been tested for the COVID-19. Now, viewers and subscribers, I saw many different pieces of videos circulating on social media that shows some of the things that these persons who were on that flight went through. You see me? And basically the videos that I'm talking about, those videos shows some things that had happened while these persons were being taken to the place to stay under state quarantine and while they're at that place and so on. You see me? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, you don't know me there, so to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. You can let me know what you think about that incident, and I'm going to move on to another video. Now, the next video that I am going to present to you, this video is going to show when a person rescued a man who had jumped into a river. See? Some places on social media, it is said that the person almost drowned. You see me? And many comments have been made about this video on social media. Some of the comments gave me the understanding that some persons are assuming as to why the person had jumped into the river. You see? Now, I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly where this incident happened, nor do I have any confirmed information as to exactly when this incident had happened. But however, this video has been talked about on social media, and I'm going to present this video to you so that you can take a look at it. You can also tell me what you think, alright? And before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
Come on guys, where's the beer?
crazy. I can't believe he did this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
You hear how much persons laugh? You hear how much persons are laugh in the video that I just presented to you? Eh? That another joking thing, you know. That man could have drowned, you know. Maybe if the person never went and rescued the person, you know, maybe that man would have drowned, you know. Another joking thing, you know. It amazes me some of the times to see how some people out there laugh to certain things that are considered to be dangerous in a man. Yeah, I tell you. Yeah, hear me, viewers, subscribers. You see, if you do not have any form of experience of swimming, especially in deep waters, don't attempt it. Don't try it. Don't do it. If you know you have never experienced swimming in deep waters, don't do it. Whether it be river or the sea or the ocean, right? Deep waters is not a joking thing. See? And if you really want to learn, you can go to persons who are certified to teach people how to swim or to train you how to swim, as how some persons might call it. That's what I say. No, for real though. How may I tell you? When it comes down to river and beaches or the sea, you know, I have nothing for prove, you know. I have nothing for prove to no one, you know. You see me I say? Yeah, me can swim, you know. But if somebody ever say, oh, you can't swim, yes, me can swim. Me no business if you want to say me can't swim. I have nothing to prove. What is it that I'm going to prove? Say that I can swim. I am not a fish. Me am a fish. But anyways, let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you. You know, I only hope that the right persons learn something from this video that I just presented to you. Alright, I'm going to move on to another video right about now. And the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show two elderly men arguing with each other. You see? Some of the things that have been said in this video are considered to be disrespectful. You see what I said to you? You know, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself and you can also let me know what you think. Alright? Many comments have been made about this video on social media, and some of the comments gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that these two persons are too old to be talking about badman or badness. You see me? Alright, as I'm about to present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Yeah, badman, you don't know nothing about guns. I'm not going to turn up and turn up in front of you. I'm not going to sit down, man. Go suck your mother. Go sit down, man. Go suck your mother. You don't know what he won't go. You can't sit down, man. You can't think you don't know what. You don't know turn up. I'm very cool, man. You have been free. Go suck your mother. I'm very cool, man. You're a bad man to you. You're a wicked man to you. You're a baby, man. I know you're a wicked man.
Viewers and subscribers, let me take a look at this video, see? And in my point of view, I think that these persons might be joking. You understand? Some of the times you have persons who will go out and they will have a drink and they will talk all kind of things. You see what I say? Yeah, you have persons who will just drink their alcohol and talk all kind of things. You understand me? I'm just saying that this is just my point of view or what I think that had happened in the video. You see what I said to you? Yeah, but you know, you can let me know what you think. You can tell me if I'm wrong or I'm right, and you can let me know what you think overall about the video or the incident. You see me? Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. Let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you. I present these videos to you because they are being talked about on social media. And you don't know me, Dancehall. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? So until next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself. You see it? Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.